Hello all. Today we are going to learn how to print a calendar in Python. It is very simple to print a calendar in Python. Within 2 lines of code, we can print a calendar easily. So nothing but let's start our today's topic. So we're going to learn how to print a calendar. First of all, we import calendar module here, and then we use print statement to print the calendar. The syntax to print a calendar is the calendar dot calendar is a syntax to print a calendar, and we are mentioning the year, which year we want to print. Suppose I want to print 2022's calendar, so I am mentioning here 2022, and if you run it, you'll get a calendar of 2022. See 2022 calendar, and January, February, every year till December it is there. It is very simple. And suppose if suppose we want a specific month in a specific year, it is also very simple. We just import calendar here, and then we use print statement. The syntax is to print a specific month is calendar dot month, because we are printing a month here. In this we printed the whole calendar, that's why I use calendar. So here we are printing a month here, so we use month. First of all, we mention the year, the particular year you want to print, and the particular month. Suppose if I want to print a 10th month or October month, here I used this is a year and this is a month which I am printing. Okay, I will clearly mention here, nothing but we are using print statement dot month of year comma month. We are mentioning this is year, this is month. Okay, if you run it, we will get October month. See, there is nothing difference here. This is October month and this is October month, so both are same. In this way we will print we will print a specific month in a specific year and whole calendar you want. Thank you. This is the today's topic. If you have any queries or any doubts, you can pin me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like it, please share it. Thank you.